If you've ever walked outside after setting your sprinkler schedule and thought, why is this running in the rain? You already know how frustrating old school irrigation can be. Wasted water, uneven coverage, constant adjustments, it adds up fast. The problem is, not all smart sprinkler controllers work the same way. And then there are models that look smart on paper, but don't actually adapt the way your lawn needs. That's exactly why we put together this list of the 7 best smart sprinkler controllers, each one standing out for a different type of yard, setup, and level of automation. You'll find links to the best prices in the description below. Also, these smart sprinkler controllers aren't ranked in any specific order, so make sure to stick around until the end so you don't miss the right one for you. Number 7 is the Orbit 57946 Beehive. This is the best mid-size sprinkler controller on our list. It really hits that sweet spot for medium lawns. With 6 zones, you get enough flexibility to separate your front yard, backyard, garden beds, or side lawn without overcomplicating things. Each zone can be programmed individually, so everything gets the right amount of water. And because it automatically adjusts based on local weather conditions, you're not constantly tweaking schedules. It handles that for you. Then there's placement flexibility. You can install it indoors or outdoors, which makes planning your setup much easier. It runs on 110 volts and has compact dimensions of 3 by 9 by 8 inches. This thing just fits neatly without taking over your wall space. On top of that, you can control everything wirelessly from your phone, change schedules, pause watering, or fine-tune zones from anywhere. It also supports drip irrigation scheduling, which is perfect for flower beds and delicate plants that need more precise watering. And here's what Brad says. Amazing sprinkler controller. Easy to connect to Wi-Fi, easy to program, and the smart watering features were easy to understand. And setup. I love having the screen on the device as well, and love that I can program from the device. So if you want a mid-size system that's smart, flexible, and genuinely easy to use, this one fits beautifully. Number 6 is the Imolaza 12 Zone. This is the best advanced sprinkler controller on our list. This one is all about precision and control. With 12 zones, it lets you customize watering based on plant type, soil type, nozzle type, and sunlight exposure. That level of detail means each area of your landscape gets tailored care. And because it uses real-time weather data along with evapotranspiration algorithms, it automatically adjusts watering duration and frequency. It's constantly optimizing behind the scenes. Plus, it also includes smart fault detection. The system actively monitors your irrigation setup and sends alerts if something isn't right. Add built-in surge protection and a real-time clock that keeps schedules accurate during power or network outages, and you've got serious reliability. Then there's the Smart Skip technology. It pauses watering during rain, wind, or freezing conditions. It even prevents watering when soil is already saturated. Seasonal adjustments further refine everything as conditions shift, and you can control it fully through the app from anywhere. It works with Alexa and Google Assistant for seamless smart home integration. Installation takes about 15 to 30 minutes, and it's compatible with 99.99% of existing systems. Plus, the weatherproof build supports light commercial use. So, if you want advanced precision and powerful protection in one system, this one truly delivers. Number 5 is the Orbit 24637 Beehive XD. This is the best hose-based smart timer on our list. If you don't have an in-ground irrigation system, this is one of the easiest ways to go smart. It connects directly to your outdoor faucet and instantly gives you 2 programmable ports. That means you can run 2 separate watering schedules at the same time. Lawn on one side, garden beds on the other. Or maybe shrubs in a drip line. It's flexible right out of the box. And the control options make it even better. You can program it wirelessly through Wi-Fi using the included hub, which gives you full remote access through the app. Or you can connect locally via Bluetooth when you're nearby. So whether you're inside relaxing or standing right in the yard, adjustments are simple. It also pulls in precise local weather data and automatically adjusts watering schedules based on conditions. On top of that, it recognizes local drought levels and helps you stay compliant with watering restrictions. You don't have to think about it, it just handles it. Now, the IPX5 waterproof rating means it's protected against water streams from any angle. So it's built for outdoor exposure all season long. And when paired with the Wi-Fi hub, it meets EPA WaterSense standards for efficient water use. So if you want hose-based smart watering that's powerful, reliable, and incredibly easy to manage, this one makes total sense. And if you want to know the latest prices for the smart sprinkler controllers discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're enjoying this video, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. Number 4 is the Soil Drops AI. This is the best AI-driven sprinkler controller on our list. What really separates this one is that it waters based on actual soil conditions, not just a preset timer. When you pair it with the wireless soil moisture sensors, it continuously monitors moisture levels in real time and sends that data straight to the controller. Each zone gets water only when it truly needs it, so you don't have to worry about wastage. And once the smart sensor is connected, the AI functionality fully activates. The system automatically adjusts schedules using live soil data, local weather forecasts, and seasonal changes. It's constantly learning and optimizing behind the scenes, so your plants stay healthy without you having to micromanage anything. Plus, you can control up to 8 zones from a single unit, which makes it perfect for homes with lawns, vegetable gardens, shrubs, and flower beds, all in one space. Each zone can be customized individually, so every area gets exactly what it needs. The app shows real-time soil moisture levels clearly. You always know what's happening below the surface. And from there, you can change schedules, start or stop watering, or monitor everything remotely. Now, it works indoors or outdoors and connects through 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. You can try all AI features free for 30 days, and ongoing smart functionality continues when paired with the sensor. So if you want watering that responds to your soil instead of just a timer, this is the smartest move you can make. Number 3 is the Rainbird ARC8. This is the best indoor and outdoor sprinkler controller on our list. Right away, it stands out for true placement flexibility. This 8-station controller is built for both indoor and outdoor installation. So you can mount it in the garage, on an exterior wall, or wherever it makes the most sense for your setup. It runs on 120 volts AC and features a clean LED display that keeps everything clear and easy to read at a glance. But beyond installation, the real strength here is control. The Rainbird mobile app puts your entire irrigation system right in your hand. You can set schedules, monitor activity, make adjustments, or pause watering from anywhere. Even better, you can share access with family members or landscaping professionals, which makes long-term management simple and convenient. And then there's the smart functionality. You can activate any schedule instantly, delay watering when needed, preview upcoming watering times, or run manual watering sessions on demand. On top of that, it automatically adjusts or skips watering based on local weather forecasts and historic averages. That can deliver up to 30% water savings, all without constant tweaking. It's also compatible with Alexa, Google Assistant, iOS, and Android, so it integrates smoothly into your smart home ecosystem. So if you want indoor and outdoor flexibility combined with strong, intuitive smart control, this one checks every box. Number 2 is the Orbit 57950 Beehive. This is the best value sprinkler controller on our list. Right away, you're getting serious coverage with 12 zones, which makes it ideal for larger yards with multiple watering areas. Front lawn, backyard, side strips, flower beds, everything can run on its own schedule. And even with that kind of capacity, it keeps things simple and intuitive. You're not dealing with a complicated interface. It's straightforward and easy to manage, and installation is flexible too. You can mount it indoors or outdoors, depending on your setup. It runs on 110 volts and measures 3.75 by 9.38 by 8.63 inches. So it fits neatly without taking up much space. It's compact but powerful. Then there's the automation. It automatically adjusts watering schedules based on weather conditions and plant needs, so you're not constantly fine-tuning things. Your lawn stays healthy while the controller handles the adjustments behind the scenes. And if you're running drip irrigation for garden beds or delicate plants, it manages that smoothly as well. On top of that, it connects wirelessly, giving you app-based control from anywhere. You can change schedules, pause watering, or make quick adjustments right from your phone. So if you want wide zone coverage, indoor or outdoor flexibility, and smart weather-based watering at a strong value position, this one makes a lot of sense. Number 1 is the Raichio Wi-Fi Smart Sprinkler Controller. This is the best overall sprinkler controller on our list. What makes it the top pick is how intelligently it handles watering. The patented weather intelligence system automatically skips watering for rain, wind, freeze, and other changing conditions. It doesn't just follow a fixed timer, it actively adapts to what's happening outside, which keeps your yard healthy without wasting water. With 8 zones, you get flexible scheduling across different areas of your lawn and garden. You can build fully custom schedules if you like full control, or you can let weather intelligence adjust everything automatically. It even includes grow-in options, which are great when you're establishing new grass and need more frequent watering at first. And then there's the app experience. The Raichio app lets you run zones, monitor schedules, track estimated water usage, and fine-tune everything from anywhere. It replaces old dial-based controllers completely and brings precise digital control to your irrigation setup. Plus, installation is simple. You can set it up in 30 minutes or less, and it's compatible with 99% of existing sprinkler systems. It runs on 120 volts and has a sleek 9.1 by 1 point, 4 by 5.6 inch design that looks modern and clean on the wall. It's also certified to work with Alexa for voice control. And here's what Matt says: "This works great. Extremely simple setup and app is very easy to learn/use. Since it connects to the internet for weather updates, it has canceled 2 watering due to rain, saving me money. Wish I had it sooner." So, if you want the most complete blend of smart automation, flexibility, and reliability, this is the one to go with. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect smart sprinkler controller. And if you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each smart sprinkler controller. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.